Hi everybody, welcome to another STEAM video from the Olean Public Library. It's Elijah back again. This week we are going to use some household items to create some Ooey Gooey Halloween slime. So for this craft, the only supplies we will need is some water, some glue, and some laundry detergent. I put in a half a cup of water and a half a cup of the glue, but I ended up having way too much water. So you might want to use a little bit less than a half a cup, maybe a quarter cup. At this point, I'm just using a stick and I'm stirring them. Now I'm putting in some food coloring just to kind of make it fun looking. You can make it whatever color you want. You want to add in the food coloring first so that it has ample time to mix in with all the ingredients. Now we're going to add in a quarter cup of laundry detergent. The internet usually recommends using Tide, which is what I used here, but feel free to experiment and see what different types do. And now we just mix it until it's not able to be mixed anymore by the stick, at which point you can grab it and kind of start kneading it with your hands. So you can see here that my slime got a little too watery, so I ended up dumping out a lot of the excess water and adding some more glue to make it a little more solid. So this is me kneading those together for a while. You can see that my slime turned out to be kind of like a pastel orange, so you can use whatever combination of food coloring and any other kind of supplies. Maybe you want to put some glitter in it or anything like that, just to make it look like yours. So I decided to try to make my slime even more spooky, and I added some googly eyes to mine to make it look sort of Halloweenish and just kind of creepy. So here I am just mixing it in and seeing what it looks like. Make sure you stretch and knead and play with your slime to make it more solid. Here's my final product. Thank you for joining us for this very spooky edition of the STEAM videos from the Olean Public Library. Please feel free to post some videos or photos of your Ooey Gooey slime down below in the comments section, and please join us next time for some more STEAM. Thank you so much. See ya!